Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Framer templates for interactive app experiences, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download Framer templates for interactive app experiences, start by opening your web browser. Visit the Framer website at framer.com. Once the page loads, navigate to the templates section located in the main menu. Browse through the available templates to find one that suits your needs. You can use filters or the search bar to refine your selection. When you find a template you like, click on it to view more details. Here, you'll see a preview of the template along with its features and specifications. Take note of any requirements mentioned for optimal performance. To download the template, locate the download button, usually positioned on the upper right side of the page. Click on the download button. If prompted, sign in to your Framer account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by following the sign-up process. After logging in, confirm your download by clicking the appropriate button on the next screen. Once the download finishes, locate the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder. Extract the contents of the zip file if necessary. Open Framer on your device. Import the downloaded template by selecting Import from the main dashboard. Navigate to the location of the extracted template file and select it. Once imported, you can start customizing your template for your interactive app experience. Enjoy creating with the new Framer template at your disposal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.